Alright, hey everybody, welcome to this video. This is your buddy Eric, and I am right here gonna share something with you. Please cut off all distractions for the next few minutes while I share something really amazing. And this is actually I'm on a website, and you can see a slider revolution, and this is actually a slider. If you're familiar with website designs, you'll notice that this is a slider. And this is actually a before and after slider that kind of gives you an idea of something that you can use. Slider revolution. Now this is the back end of my website here, and we just took a look at this image comparison slider. Now these are 4 new sliders. This is actually version 6.67. Let's see, 6.6.7. And I'm on my semi-true website, but Slider Revolution 6.6.7. So it's been around for a while, but there's a little bit of a learning curve when it comes to editing these templates, but it's really simple once you know how to do it. But I'm gonna just give you an example of some of the templates that come, customizable, but templates that come in the box and that you can. So you can see this is a website template, and this is a it looks like a morphing picture background slider for a website that also has a call to action to view photos. So when you click that call to action, it actually pops up photos, and you can slide up and down with that, which looks like might be like a wedding website. X out of that, and this is a wedding album. So this is just an example, and it of course goes back to the sales page for Slider Revolution 6. But there are a lot of I'm going to click show all, which there are a lot of templates, and that might take a minute to load all these templates right here in my back office. But if you want a pixel perfect website, which is really the standard these days, and you want to do it without coding, this is why I'm sharing this with you, because Revolution Slider 6 will help you to get that pixel perfect website without having to do all this coding or learning. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, there's a learning curve, and I'm gonna show you where you can actually learn how to create and use this, and I can show you a little bit here of how it works, but I do plan on making a full-on video, and it's going to take a minute to load because there's a lot of templates that you can use. I want to say there are a lot, and I probably shouldn't have put show all, but it's okay. So now it's showing. So what I'm going to do is slide down, and you can see all these templates that they give us to use in the back of the all in my back. This is basically the back office to my WordPress website, but these are all templates that are customizable, and you can edit these templates, and there's a ton of them. That's why it took a while to load, because these are a ton of templates that any website and any business, any organization can use. Now they just updated to 6.6.7 and gave us these 4 new templates. They do that every few months or so, but I'm gonna just click let's see. So if I click close this and close this, I'm gonna sample, and we're doing this live. I haven't seen these templates, so you can see that these are pixel perfect websites, must see places. So boom, and it gives you sort of like a car, and then as you can tell, this is a slider. But what's so cool about this slider, and which is a plugin to WordPress, is that you can create a whole website out of just the slider. So that's pretty cool. So I kind of like this, and that's going to take us to the sales page. If you click it, you could, like I said, customize it, edit it, make these buttons go wherever you want them to go. Now, if I click on one of these, I'm thinking unique destination. This could take us to anywhere we would want it to go. And as you know, I'm also a traveling man, and I love to travel. So I'm really liking this, this slider right here. All right, so now if I click on this last one, this will show you and show me in real time. and this looks like a restaurant, or possibly even a chef's website. So if I click next, so that has a sliding effect. It has the okay, so it looks like they may be selling knives. Okay, so this may actually be could possibly be a knife, a website that sells knives. Now, depending on your business, you can really create a lot with this. And just to give you an idea, I'll leave somewhere below where you could get some more information about this. But what I want to do is just kind of open up one and show you how you can actually create. So we created our website with this and our error page with this, but you can. So I'm in the back office. You can tell this is WordPress, and this is the back office to my SammyTrue.com website. And if you want to create with the Slider Revolution 6, you just go in just like I did. Once you link your account to once you upload the plugin, activate the plugin, and you agree to it here, you could click on new module from template. And let's just use this as an example. I'll click the plus sign. It used these. So so these requirements is that Mousetrap add-on. I do have the add-on, as you can tell by the green check mark. And I could create a blank page, which will create a page in my WordPress. As I edit this, you can see, hopefully, the value in having such a pixel perfect website. And it's kind of like, I don't know if you're familiar, back in the day, so I click visit page, but back in the day, the internet was slow. Now the internet is really fast. So we come accustomed to the fast things. We come accustomed to the new standards, the new bar that's set. And having a pixel perfect website is a bar that's been set. So to edit this, so I opened up this page here, and this is the page, the live page on my website that I just created. And I can open the editor here, clicking on this pencil, it lets me edit it right here in the back office of my WordPress website. So just to give you an example, so this is the whole editing area. So just to take this dummy content out here, just to type in something and then save it. I'll save that, and I can preview that from here. Explore new places and learn something that you never knew before. Now I can also see what it looks like on the mobile device as well as the tablet and the laptop. And this didn't change, but I have to save it first. So if I save it, and actually I can see that it's on all of these, that you never explore new places and learn something you never knew before. And edit it here. Let us go ahead and explore. Go ahead and travel to the best destinations. Okay, and I save that. Now as I click save, I can go over here to the live page. I told you this was the live page. If I that, you can see explore new places, learn something you never knew before. Go ahead, travel to the best destinations, and you can see this is the actual live page. And I could click make these go anywhere I want it to go. So hopefully this is interesting to you. This is just something, and I can click back here. This is just something I wanted to share with you. This is something that I like, and I've created many websites with, and look forward to helping as many people as I can create their website with this. And more information will be down below, so click below and get all the information, and at least give this a shot. I guarantee you that you will not be disappointed. Thanks for listening. Good luck with everything.